Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. It has page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is inner strength. It's time to dig deep. That's where the gold is, Gemini. When you feel as though you've done all you can, and then when you feel as though that you dug as deep as possible, that's when you continue to go, because that's when you're going to actually break the mold and break the plane and start hitting gold, and things are going to start flourishing. You have no idea how continuing and digging deep is going to make a huge a revolution and actually exchange for you. It's going to be amazing, the things that you're going to be able to make possible just by not giving up. Nothing moves me from my path of light because I have complete confidence in myself. I realize my innate qualities and my abilities. And I know that with God, I can do anything. God is with you. All the power I need is within me. So it's time to show up, show out, dig deep, let that shine, let that gold mine be found, and let it shine, because it's going to be very prosperous for you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too.